Hello everyone, welcome to Web Magnet. In today's lecture, we will going to analyze this digital text, and we will determine that if the emotional of this digital text is positive, negative, or neutral. Okay, so we will determine this emotional text with the help of AI tool called this GPT for Excel word. Okay, so first we have to install this in our Excel. For this we will go add-ins. You can find add-ins in the home section. Then here you can see add-ins. Okay, and then click on more ads in. Then search here GPT for Excel, GPT for Excel, and you will find this. Okay, then simply add in on your Excel. I already added, so I do not need to add more. Okay, so let's start. Sentiment means, I previously told you that sentiment means we will going to find out the emotional tone of this feedback. Okay, with the help of AI tool. For this, type GPT, because this is GPT, so we are typing GPT. Here we are going to classify, so click on second one. Okay, click on second one. We are going to classify this C2. Okay, then type the sorry positive, positive, negative, neutral, neutral, then double quotation, bracket close, then type, then hit enter. Now see the magic, guys. The answer is here. John is an exceptional doctor. He is caring and knowledgeable, making patients feel comfortable and confident in his care. So this sentiment is positive. Okay. Now drag till. Okay. Now see the magic, guys. Uh, you can find as many sentence as you want. This is neutral, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, positive, okay, and so on. So this is the use of AI tool, this AI tool, ChatGPT, in the Excel. Okay, let's move on to the sheet 2. Here we are going to discuss if we want to translate this feedback in Hindi language, then what should we do? Okay, this can also be done by this this AI tool, GPT for Excel. Okay, so for this, close this. This is in English language. Here we are going to convert it in uh, Hindi language. For this, type equal GPT translate. Okay, we are going to translate. Sorry, we are going to translate. Okay, text. What is text here? This is text. Target language is Hindi. Okay, remember guys, you have to put double quotation, then uh, source language. What is source language? Source language is English because this is written in English. Okay, close this, then hit enter. Okay, see the magic guys. एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर के रूप में जॉन नई तकनीकों पर ज्ञानवर्धक प्रतिक्रिया प्रदान करता है और टीम की उत्पादकता को बढ़ाता है. ओके, सो जस्ट extend this for better view and uh, drag it till this. Okay, now let's hide this. Let's hide this, and now we will going to find the profession. If you have a sentence right like this and you have to find profession, then we are going to find the profession with the help of GPT. For Excel word, for this type uh, GPT. Okay, GPT and extract. Okay, extract, because we are going to extract the profession from this sentence. Now the text is A3. We have to find out profession. So type profession and then close, hit enter. Okay, sorry. So the profession is software engineer. Now drag. Okay guys, see the profession here, and let me just okay, now everything is clear. So for this is that's all for today's session. I hope you like the session and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.